Hi guys, welcome to our Meritech show. Today we got our newest wireless charger. This is the long distance investable type, our MW215. Today let's we show how to use it. The first step is stick this magnetic coil on the table. This is the front side and this is the back side. Just stick it on the areas whatever you like. For example, just this position. Then use these two magnets to find the center position of the machine. Just like this, put one on the center position of the coil and then use the paper, center position on the back. Now let's see we find it, the center position. And the next step is take off this back side, the back case. And you can see there is around 3M glues. Take off the paper, then stick it on the back. Take off the magnet and the paper. Next is fix machine on the case, just like this. Then connect the power. Our installation has finished. You can start your wireless charging. Then put your phone on the center position. Get your fast wireless charging experience.